Today I'm going to share with you guys how I decorated my kitchen nook and my kitchen area using mostly Dollar Tree decor. So the first part, we're starting this off without Dollar Tree decor. There are some things that are from Hobby Lobby, so this being one of them. I went back and forth quite a few times trying to decide how I wanted this table to look. Did I want to actually set up a whole tablescape with plates, etc.? And in the end, I just wanted to do like a garland of sorts. So I got these two like cascading green garlands from Dollar Tree, or sorry, from Hobby Lobby. It's a habit to just automatically say Dollar Tree. And then the red rose vine is also from Hobby Lobby, but it was on sale, so it was $5. I got another one of the red roses. I have the same thing going on in my living room, so if you did not see that Valentine's decorate with me in that space, I'll link that video down below so you can kind of see how all of my decor goes together. I'm probably gonna do a little Valentine's Day house tour if you guys want one, so I don't know, comment, thumbs up, let me know if that's something you want to see. So I'm just incorporating that rose vine into this area of my kitchen nook, which this is essentially called a pie safe. It's like a little kitchen cabinet china hutch kind of thing. So I love decorating this space with like vines and extra floral and things like that. So that's why when you see it kind of blank, like as a canvas, you see colors like just white, beige, wood colors, and green, because then when I get to decorate for holidays like this, it's just really nice blank canvas for me. The white mug is from Dollar Tree, and then I decided that I needed to give it a Valentine's Day twist, so all I did was take some heart stickers from Dollar Tree and I just put one in the center. I realized that you can't really see it from my tier tray perspective, but I wanted to show it to you guys anyway in case you're building a tier tray and your mug could be in view, and that it would be a really cute way to just give it a very simple Valentine's Day twist. Then I'm putting some Dollar Tree heart picks. You're gonna basically see these throughout the entire kitchen because they are my favorite Dollar Tree Valentine's Day products to buy. Just something about how beautiful the hearts are shaped, and the glitter too just makes it sparkle, and I really love it. So I'm doing that same trick on this little like creamer, which is also from Dollar Tree. The back has a design with like a black cow, chicken, they're kind of stacked together. So all I did was I turned it the other way so I could have just the white side, and then you saw I added that same heart sticker to it as well. And these stickers are like foamy, so they're easy to peel off, so you can just remove it and, you know, get your original item back for another time that's not Valentine's Day. And then I'm stacking some little miniature ceramic houses. Those were from Hobby Lobby. The wooden heart picks at the top are Hobby Lobby, but they were about $2-ish, maybe $1.50, in that range. And then you can see all of the heart picks in here. And that heart mug with the red top is actually from a store called Daiso, which is like a Japanese Dollar Tree. And I got it actually a few years ago, so I'm not sure if it's still available. So anyways, showing you guys some of the up close shots. Now I would recommend that if you're putting heart picks into a mug like I did, you're gonna need to use some sort of like floral foam so that the heart picks aren't just like laying to the side, so that they can kind of like stick straight up. So yeah, so then I just added some little heart picks, some additional ones here and there, just to make so that the green wasn't too overwhelming. I wanted red to be the main focus. Now here's another section on my countertops in my kitchen, and who has been with me long enough to remember that mason jar DIY? I'm talking 5-6 years ago. I did a video where I did a ton of different Dollar Tree mason jars for Valentine's Day. I'll try to find it and link it down below for you guys. I just decided to throw it at the end, and then again I'm adding the heart picks, and for me it screams Valentine's Day. It's simple. I didn't have to remove any of my existing decor. I didn't have to really do very much, and you know, they're $1 at the Dollar Tree. So anyways, we're gonna take an up close shot. Obviously you can see like a theme throughout my house if this is your first time stopping by. I love whites, wood colors, greens. And it's essentially because I also really just love decorating for a ton of holidays, and I feel like it's a really great blank canvas. So this top clip, this is above my window above my kitchen sink. I didn't film me putting this together, but this is a heart garland from Dollar General. Now, this is another wreath in my kitchen nook area. I have a DIY video of this. So this was already installed and it's from Dollar Tree. It's a cute little banner. I'll link it down below, incredibly easy to make. And then here is another wall in my kitchen. That wreath is also part of that same DIY that I'll link down below for you so you can see how to make it, but it's also from Dollar Tree. And then you can just see all of the heart picks. Really, that's just like where my theme was going, all of these red hearts. But when you step back and just kind of look at the entire kitchen, I feel like it's enough to just kind of celebrate the holiday, make it really, really fun, and just see some vibrant colors, because essentially I don't decorate with reds other than during Christmas time and Valentine's Day. And then just giving you guys some up close final shots of how I decorated the kitchen. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.